this is a walk-in cooler. I have to find out what refrigerant I'm using, and this is what is happening. It's running. Very low. Very low pressure. There she goes again. This is my side glass. Everything indicates that she may be low on refrigerant. So let's take a look at the evaporator. See how it does. The evaporator. And this is the coil. Hold on, let me do this. There we go. Looks pretty dirty. So what we're gonna do first is out really good. Make sure we have a good airflow. We're gonna have another pressure reading. Probably we're gonna insulate properly the TXV valve, sensor valve, to ensure that the TXV is working properly. Two fans are running. So let's take care of it. Evaporator clean. Let me get my flashlight. There you go. I mean, the coil is not in the best shape, but it's operational still. Pretty much alright. So right now we got airflow. That's the most important thing. We're gonna check our credit pad. Here at the condensing unit. We got the evaporator quite clean. It's an important thing to do, but anyways, the pressures remain very low. Side glass. You can see a lot of bubbles in the side glass. You know, she's low on refrigerant. So I'm gonna try to do a really quick leak detection and find out any refrigerant leaks. Well, it's my lucky day. R12. And I just checked the TXV, and it is R12. Alright. This is my TXV. I don't know if you can see it. now probably now. It's kind of difficult to see. But it got the tag for 404, R12, and 134A. As you can see, the distribution tubes are getting frozen. That's another indication of low refrigerant charge. I don't think that the TXV is bad. It looks in pretty good shape. So we're gonna charge it out for now. Previous Alright. I got 4 pounds of hot shot 2 so far. And I cleared my side glass. So at this point I got the system running back again. But I still need to fill the receiver back there. I don't know how much it will take. I will put a couple more pounds just to keep some in it, because it's not, you know, this room is pretty warm. The system is R12, and I found a couple of leaks on the evaporator U-tubes. They are not repairable, so I'm just gonna charge it up so they can have it running for now. But I'm pretty much sure that they're gonna replace it. There is also a couple of leaks on the condensing coil on the U-tubes also. So the system is very old. It's in pretty bad shape, especially the evaporator. So probably the best option for my customer would be just to replace the condensing unit, which is entirely R12. Same thing with the evaporator, which is R12 also. And so we're gonna charge it for now and see how she does. We got 5 pounds and we just stopped. And she's pretty solid. My pressure's, yeah, pretty much alright. I would like to keep it higher. I'm gonna let her run for at least an hour and see how she does. This is the TXB right now. It's not freezing up anymore. The only problem is we have leaks in that tube and this one, the U-tube. So that's gonna be a problem. But anyway, she's running now. The temperature in the box is below 50s. She's getting into the 40s, and she's gonna be pretty much in the 37. That's the set point. Alright, thank you guys for watching.